Hello friends, welcome to Solid Edge Sheet Metals tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn Solid Edge Sheet Metal Unbend and Rebend command. So let's start. Here we have one sheet metal part and it has bends. We will unbend this bend and rebend. So first command is unbend. Now click on unbend command, unbend. Now first step is to select fixed space. So our fixed space will be this tab. So I have selected this one and select bend which we want to unbend. So I have selected this bend and this will unbend. Just select bends which we want unbend, this one and this one. So I have selected these 4 bends which will be unbend and click OK. If you want all the bends to unbend, just select option all bends and finish. Now we have all unbends here. Next command is rebend, which is used to restore bending positions which is originally before unbend command. So just select here all bends and click OK, finish, cancel. This is the rebend command. We can select one by one as well. I will delete this and click on rebend again and just select bend which we want a restore. So this is bend, I have restored. This is rebend command. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.